Alright gang, just quick video on kind of the knee pain exercises that I was alluding to. Now, one of the reasons that our knees hurt in running or when we're doing exercise is because certain muscles around the knee fail to fire, okay? What we want is what is called muscular co-contraction, okay? When all the muscles around the knee are firing at the same time to help to restrain the knee and provide some kind of like dynamic support to control the knee as we move. Oftentimes what will happen is certain muscles will fail to fire, like my hamstring as I'm coming through stance. So therefore my quad has to work harder and it'll impose more torque on the knee. We'll start to feel pain in the front of the kneecap or on the side or wherever. But the point is that if we're firing all of these muscles together, it's going to eliminate that because it's going to provide balance and support on all sides of the knee. Now, two exercises that are great as well for Achilles and patellar tendonitis are the isometric lunge and the toe bridge, which I'm going to show you now. So the isometric lunge is going to be like this. We're going to come into a split stance. I'm going to come up onto my toe. Okay, I'm going to lower down, and I'm just going to hold for anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds. And again, in this position, you can start a little bit further back, but ultimately you want to load that big toe because this is like we're pushing through the big toe. Okay, if you feel any discomfort in your knee, you start to feel your kneecap, so you can come up out of it, making sure that we feel all muscle. As we get stronger, we can come further down into the lunge. But again, we want to hold, so maybe start with 30 seconds, we're going to build up to about a minute. All right, now with our toe bridge, kind of same concept, we're kind of firing them, we're focusing a little bit more on the muscles behind the knee as well as the calf here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up either on a wall or on a bench. I'm going to come up into a bridge position and I'm going to fire all of this stuff in the back side of my leg. And you're going to feel hamstrings, glutes, and calves like crazy. You want to kind of maintain, as you're doing a calf raise either off the wall or off this bench. And we're going to build up to anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds. That one's going to be hard and you might find you get some calf cramping. So build up as you can. Start with maybe 10-second holds and build up as you go along. But 2 to 3 sets of those several times a week will do wonders for your knee. It'll help you to feel it more during your muscles more versus your knee more in exercise as well as running. And yeah, it's awesome. So give that a go. Let me know if you have any questions.